Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel and I'm the CEO of Learn. It's February 1st and it's the first day of Teacher Appreciation Week. I wanted to take this opportunity to reach out to teachers everywhere to first of all to express on behalf of my organization Learn and myself personally our sincere appreciation for all the great work that's done in all the classrooms, be they virtually or face-to-face. This year, the theme is shaping the future, and I just wanted to maybe address that for a second. Hard to believe, I know, but I started teaching in 1973, and many years later, many decades later, I still have contact with some of my ex-students. I'm really proud of that because I know that they've made a success of their lives, and that in a very small way I contributed to this. And I think this is where sometimes people look at what do teachers do and how they influence and affect students going forward. Well, I can tell you that it's definitely not exams, it's not getting through the curriculum, it's not any of those things. It's really developing a relationship that impacts on a young person's personality, on their mind. They can look at a person of authority and realize that they have a sense of feeling and caring for them, that they're empathetic, that they're really interested in them, and that they respect them as individuals. And I think this is how we really make the greatest impact, how we influence and shape the future for our students. And so I think that as we look right now, and I'm talking to really everyone, but parents maybe, or community stakeholders, understand that the value of our teachers doesn't come just strictly from getting through the curriculum, going through courses, but really developing a bond, a friendship with the students that they teach every day, and who come to love and respect them as well. So for all of the good work that's been done in our community by our teachers, once again, my profound and sincere thanks and appreciation. Keep shaping the world. We need it. These are tough times. As you can see, it's the end of the day. I'm outside and I'm trying to take care of myself as well. I'm urging you as teachers to take care of yourself both in body and spirit. Because if you're not strong and you're not feeling good, you can't give what you don't have. So take care of yourselves, be well, and once again, thank you.